How to remove a keyframe in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the timeline where your clip is placed. Now, select the clip that has the keyframe you want to remove. Next, find the part of the screen where the keyframes are shown. In the edit page, this is usually in the inspector panel on the right side. Scroll down until you see the setting with the diamond icon next to it. That diamond means the keyframe is added there. You can also show the keyframe tray below the timeline by clicking the button for it. Now, move the playhead to the frame where the keyframe is. You will see the diamond icon turn red. That shows there is a keyframe at that spot. Then, click on the red diamond to turn it off. This will remove the keyframe. If you are using the timeline curve or keyframe track below the clip, just select the keyframe dot and press delete to remove it. Repeat this for any other keyframes you want to remove. Just go to each one and click the diamond or delete it from the curve area. And that's it. Now you know how to remove a keyframe in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.